Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel from the right side and locate the screen recording toggle. So for me it's right over here, that's kind of how it looks like. Once you find it, you can tap on it, and as you can see, it automatically starts recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. Just kind of fiddling with it so there's something to be recorded. And once you're done, you can click on this overlay right here on the square to stop it, and this will automatically save it in your photo gallery right in here. You'll need to navigate to albums, where you will find the video or screen recording album. So either one of them has the same thing. As you can see, there it is. You can tap on the video to play it. And there it is. So that is how you would record your screen. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.